Hello. Hello. Welcome to Elizabeth OBrien Art. I'm Lauren. I'm Liz. Who are you? Who are you, Ma? Okay. Why do you want to poke that out? Show off the fact that your belly's not that big. There's no hole there. Hello. Hello. Welcome to Elizabeth OBrien Art. I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Lauren.
And today we're going to do something really exciting. In April, we had a fine art gallery show that was scheduled for both Lauren and I, and it was canceled. We were so disappointed because we really wanted to share with the world our art that we've been working on for months and months and months. So today we thought, well, let's put something together a little interesting. We're going to put art
And fashion
together, and we're going to do a little art fashion gallery show for you. So let's get ready, and Lauren and I are going to go get pretty. So stay tuned.
In the mix, 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 in the mix,